guys. I haven't been able to get on here because it's where I was before. Wi-Fi was no good, but it's been raining every day this week. Even this morning it was downpouring, but now we're supposed to get sun from here on out for the weekend. The park is flooded. Wait till you see the park. Here we go. Hold on. Everything is so high here. But then when we come in where I usually come in, down where my favorite spot is, it's a huge puddle. I'm trying to get there now. I kind of cut around the other way. But the dogs don't care. They're just walking in like 3 feet of water. I'm just trying to get back here. Look at this. Big puddle with this tree laying down in it. I'm scared my dogs will fall in the water. It's really high, look. Oh my God, it's never this high. And over there, across the way, it's all muddy from all the rain. I'm like standing in the mud, sticking in the mud. Come here, Ben. See, right here is where I usually come through. And it's really deep. It doesn't look it. Benny, come here. Benny just went like outside of the park. Come on. This here. Woo! And it's windy too. No, Belle. It's deep today. She goes down there to get a drink sometimes. And it's really deep. So we're going to go find Benny and head back the other way. I've been trying to upload stuff on Patreon, but I was at my son's driveway and his Wi-Fi is really bad, so the reception out there is bad, so I couldn't really do much there. So, alright, let's go. Wow, look at this. You can tell it's like all dark, brown, murky water. Get a drink over here, Ben, where it's flowing. It's deep, Ben. Usually you're standing on the ground at that point. You're going to drop off. It's like way up here. It's usually out a lot farther. Come on, Ben. Be careful. I'm just waiting for him to drop off and disappear. I think he can swim, but not that great. He can. Buster can't. Buster would just like float right away in here. Speaking of which, oh, there he is. I gotta keep an eye on him. Come on, guys, you want to go up here and see how deep it is? Oh my gosh. Yeah, you stay over that way, Buster. This usually kind of gradually just goes down into it, but it's usually a lot farther up. It's really deep. A lot of floods happened around here. When you drive around, you can see like, oh my God, there's just huge floods everywhere. But hopefully, with the sun today, tomorrow, and Sunday, we will have it back to normal. It's supposed to be really hot this weekend. Right now, it's not that bad. It's like 70s maybe and really breezy, so it's not that bad. Last night in the van, Buster had trouble breathing, so I had to I woke up at one point and his head was like right on the fan. We were getting a lot of storms last night, so I really couldn't leave the door open, because the door where the bed is in the back, if you leave that open, it soaks the bed. I need to get some kind of a awning or gutter back there. If anybody knows anything I can put in the back of the van, like so it doesn't rain directly right onto the bed, let me know. I mean, I was gonna get one of those awnings or whatever, but they're like $600. It's crazy. This is all deep here too. Oh, here comes the wind. Look at them trees blowing. Come on, boys, where'd you go? Woo. Here comes Benny. Buster! There's some people down there. Oh, I guess this new tree fell down that this girl back there is sitting on. I'm gonna get up closer to it. Every time there's a storm, something falls in the park. Wow, this one's high too. A lot of that's usually showing, like all the gravel and stuff, but it's gone now. It's under the water. And that little thing sticking up right there is usually not even buried at all. one point. Wow. There's Buster. He doesn't care. He's way over there drinking the water. We're not even going to attempt to go in the woods today because I know it's super flooded. For sure. I see a lot of pollen going around. Oh gosh, look how high this is. Wow. Oh, wait till you see this. Wow, check this out. Super deep. Don't even go there, Belle. Nope, we're not going. You can actually swim in that, I know. It's really high. I'm sure when you get down into the middle. Look at these guys. They think there's another lake here. A new one. Ew, Benny, don't drink that. Well, what the heck. Here we go. It's just water. This is really high too. Wow. I wouldn't want to get caught in here in a storm because every time there is a storm, trees fall. We're not going there, Belle. Belle, come on. I think it's too muddy back there. Come on, Belle. This way, honey. She wants to go in the trail so bad. We haven't been there for a while. I had to put my hair back because it's so windy and I wouldn't be able to see a thing. It would be in my face. And Bella just kind of hopped up here on the bench to sit. These guys are tired because the sun's in my eye. They're tired because last night we slept in my son's driveway again, and I couldn't really, like I said, leave the windows open before, like the doors and stuff, because it'll rain on the bed. But anyway, yeah, earlier I was there and it wasn't raining and I had the doors open. Oh my gosh, the breeze felt so good. But when you can't do that, it gets pretty warm in there. And it wasn't even really that hot at night, I guess. But now it's cooler than it has been. Oh, I think it's the pollen making my eyes itch. Oh. Allergies suck. So this is what I'm sitting behind me. The skies look so nice today. My son will be back tomorrow, and it's going to be a nice weekend. What are you barking at, Buster? He's just goofy. Are you going around in circles, chasing yourself? He needs to get some energy out. I don't know what happened to Benny. Where's Benny? Oh, there he is. Well, I'm gonna head out of the park now and then head to the store. And I put up those LED lights in the van. I put a clip on my Patreon actually last night, but I don't think it went up till this morning when I got out of that area with no Wi-Fi. But they work great. Oh my gosh. I want to get ones for the outside so that when you're like sitting in the dark, it'll look really nice around the van. But I don't know. I've seen the waterproof ones, but I'm getting bit by a mosquito. I've seen the waterproof ones that might look nice, but for now I just have the ones on the inside. So we are gonna head back. Hi, Ben. You're hiding back there. I wish I could just pull my van like right over there and just like live in the park. I love this park. But of course my van would probably get stuck with all the mud and rain and wetness they have here. Oh, you just chilling in the sun, Belle? Oh, it's nice and warm, huh? Yeah. And you're all dirty. Okay, here comes Buster. You were all the way across there, weren't you? Yeah, I saw you. Okay, we're heading back, guys. Benny was hiding behind the bench, trying to get some shade. Oh, it's squishy. Like there's water the whole way you're walking. Hi. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is, ugh. Yeah, no way. That's the other side. I don't know if you can see how flooded that is. All the way back. All the way back. Okay guys, we're not going in that trail. Aw, hi.